how to enable or disable suggestions of emojis and stickers while typing in Gboard on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on general management. After that, go down and tap on Gboard settings, or you can tap on keyboard list in default. Then tap on Gboard. Next, we scroll down. In here, tap on emojis, stickers, and GIFs. Then scroll down. And in the suggestions while typing section, you can tap on emojis, toggle button to turn off or switch on suggestions of emojis in the suggestions strip. The same for stickers, you can switch it on or off. And this will show or hide emojis and stickers on the suggestion strip. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.